Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start off the day by checking the fluids on Mabel, the 6.7 Cummins, and we're going to be kind of quick here. It's raining outside. We'll go for a drive and fuel up and do whatever. All right, commence the popping of the hood. Let's get the latchy poo. There we go. Look at all that. Glorious. Ooh. Start off by checking our coolant here. Not sure if you can see that, but I can see it's right at the perfect level. This guy here, this thing's always a pain in the ass to get off. There, fuck, finally. Ooh, she wet. Alright, let's take a look in there. Oh, maybe with a clean finger. Perfect. We'll leave that open and start it. Make sure there's no bubbling going on. Our air filter. Wow. A little dirty, but it's probably fine. Check some transmission fluid. It's on a level ground. It smells fine. Well, it smells like cat piss, but yes, that's normal for ATF4. Dude. Put that cap back on. Ooh. Take the cap off here. Check for some blow by. See, it is taut. Oh, that was fucking retarded. And this guy way down here. Take the cap off. Probably can't see that, but. Smells like shit, so that's good. All right, let's get her turned over. Give you guys a money shot here. Just in time. All right. Good, doesn't look like any blow by. Good. We'll check it at operating temp 2. Click, 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 and there. Now that's the right angle clicker. Oil cap. Then I got it all wet. My belt's squeaking. All right, let's check the oil. It's dark as hell. We'll check for blow by a little bit better once we get warmer. God, it's gross out today. Ugh. And one whooshy boy. Woo. 4 lightning strikes. Holy shit. Let's see if I can't capture that. Should probably wipe them tears away. Of course, and as soon as I turn the camera off, it's gonna do it again. That turbo though. There's a little one. Okay, well, I'll fill up and I'll try and get that on camera. Oh shit. Yeah, that's pretty sick. That was like purple. I can hear here all over. All right, now that we're about at operating temp here, let's go ahead and check for that blow-by again. All right, let's dig it. And nothing. Get some vibration. Wonderful. Like to see it, love to see it. Put it on the right way, and there. I forgot to put my twin turbo setup on today. Damn. Look at that. Ooh. It's 300 horsepower alone. Trust me, I dynoed it. Look at that power stroke. That's kind of nice. Give him a little whistle. A little whooshy whoosh. Oh! That was right above me. Video checking the fluids, going for a little bit of a trip, but I'll just leave you all guys off a little underpass whooshy whoosh and flutter. God, such an idiot move, spilling all that shit everywhere. Fuck. Yeah, we're tight.